Hey there, Iggy the Investing Iguana here, and welcome back to another exciting episode on the Investing Iguana YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the recent earnings report of Seatrium, a major player in the offshore and marine industry. We'll explore the reasons behind the sharp fall in their share price and what it means for investors like you. As a financial analyst specializing in stock analysis, financial planning, CPF schemes, and money matters related to Singapore and the region, I'm here to break down the complex financial concepts and provide you with insightful and data-driven reports. My goal is to help you navigate the world of investing and guide you towards financial prosperity and freedom. In this video, we'll cover 1. A brief overview of Seatrium's 1H 2024 earnings report. 2. The key factors that disappointed investors and led to the sharp fall in share price. 3. An analysis of Seatrium's revenue, underlying Ebitda, and order book growth. 4. The potential impact of the ongoing joint investigation by MAS and CAD. 5. Seatrium's future targets and current valuation. 6. The latest analyst ratings and price targets for Seatrium stock. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Seatrium's financials together. It's worth noting that Seatrium has recently achieved a significant milestone in securing new orders, amounting to 13.4 billion Singapore dollars in the first half of 2024. This includes a substantial 11 billion Singapore dollar order from Petrobras, which has consequently boosted the company's net order book value to 26.1 billion Singapore dollars, a figure that hasn't been seen in over a decade. This development certainly suggests a promising outlook for Seatrium's future revenue and profitability. Meanwhile, the company has also made progress in refining its financial position. Specifically, it has managed to marginally improve its net leverage ratio, which now stands at 2.9 times, down from 3.2 times. Furthermore, Seatrium has successfully secured new bank facilities, which will provide vital support for its future projects. However, it's important for investors to exercise caution and continue monitoring the situation, particularly in light of the ongoing joint investigation by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, and the Commercial Affairs Department, CAD, into a corruption case in Brazil. The outcome of this investigation could potentially have implications for the company. As of August 3, 2024, Seatrium's share price stood at 1 Singapore dollar and 49 cents, down 10.7% from the previous day's close. This sharp fall in share price likely reflects overly high expectations following the company's earlier guidance. The lower revenue compared to the second half of 2023 and the slower-than-expected improvement in underlying Ebitda may have disappointed some investors. The ongoing investigation may have also weighed on sentiment. Looking ahead, Seatrium is targeting revenue of 10 to 12 billion Singapore dollars and a return on equity of 8% or higher by 2028. Based on the annualized underlying net profit for the first half of 2024, the stock is trading at a P/E ratio of 22 times. However, investors should note that the company hasn't paid a dividend since 2018. According to the latest analyst reports from 3 research institutions dated within the past 3 months, Seatrium has an average target price of 2 Singapore dollars and 65 cents. This suggests a potential upside of around 78% from the current share price. However, it's important to note that analyst predictions are not guarantees of future performance and should be taken with a grain of salt. In conclusion, while Seatrium's latest earnings report had some positive elements, such as the growing order book and improved profitability, it seems that investors were expecting more. The sharp fall in the share price reflects these disappointed expectations. As always, it's important for investors to look beyond the headline numbers and consider the company's long-term prospects, while also being aware of potential risks such as the ongoing investigation. If you found this analysis helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Investing Iguana channel for more insightful content on investing, personal finance, and money matters. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video drops. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep on investing. This is Iggy, your Investing Iguana, signing off. See you in the next video.